2024, there are literal UFOs coming from our own oceans, which is interesting because after God floods the entire world, every living thing on the surface would have simply died. But I've always wondered about what happened to the creatures that were already in the sea. See, the Bible tells us that before this, the whole world was corrupted. All flesh had corrupted their way on earth. But I assume that this includes cold-blooded flesh from the ocean as well. Still, the Bible doesn't explain specifically what happens to the creatures in the water. Okay, so there's this ancient book named the Book of Giants. It's these 2,000-year-old scrolls that were literally found in a cave. It talks about these fallen angels who come down to earth, bringing both knowledge and chaos. One day, these angels would gather 200 pairs of animals, birds, fish, and humans for this thing called miscegenation. Miscegenation means crossbreeding. It means taking two different species to create something new. These angels were smart and curious, which made them dangerous. The question is, what would a fallen angel possibly want to create? Well, today, there are governments admitting that they are in contact with actual aliens. In their own words, these aliens are coming from our own oceans, which is just mind-blowing because not only is the ocean almost completely unexplored, but it also seems like biblically, the ocean didn't really change much since the flood. The Bible even talks about this Leviathan, and it wasn't that long since we saw that massive blob in the ocean. I wonder what would happen if they started looking downwards.